Check this broke ass car, man. Happy New Year's to fucking me. Shit's crazy. Yep. He's finna get sold. Somebody calling me.
I'm so damn mad, bro. This don't make no sense. Okay, for one, the motor knocking. I don't understand. It's not knocking, but it's knocking, if that makes sense to y'all. So look, when I start the car, it's no knocking at all. When I rev it, it's no knocking. Neutral rev, no knocking. When I drive it, that motherfucker get the knocking. So it's not the motor. And I can't tell transmission. I ain't no fucking mechanic. I don't know. And then I'm trying to figure this out. So I go to the back of my car and I unplug my motherfucking amp and shit. I unplugs this and blow my whole fuse box in the back. My whole shit is blown in the back. So now that's a problem. Okay, boom. So then we come back to the front. We come back right here. Then I look under the car. And I don't know if y'all can see it over there. My motherfucking car leaking oil. So it's like, damn, man. It's like, this motherfucker's starting to give up. I ain't gonna lie to you. Mopar, hey, Chevy, here I come. Y'all want to see a mirror on the scene? A mirror on the little shit? A nigga sick and shit. I'm out here trying to fix this car for y'all. My camera broke. Now I gotta get a new camera. Ah, this shit is crazy. I don't even know what the fuck to do right now. Ain't no... Let me see this shit. Hold on. Okay. It ain't no knocking, so the motherfucker not knocking. So like, what the fuck? This motherfucker so quiet, it don't sound like it's on. I mean, I hear the exhaust, but the motor not even. I don't know, bruh. Somebody comment, man. Somebody let me know what's the deal, man. Is it my goddamn axles or something? Something clicking? Ain't nothing clicking in between these sticks, like. I don't know, bruh. Then I'm gonna take it to the shop. Oh, another thing, look at this shit. This shit gonna get no motherfucking better. So, as y'all see, I got the LED lights and shit, and then the little shit that go around. So I'm driving the motherfucker. As I'm noticing the motor knocking, I smell fire. So me immediately thinking some shit is going for me. I pull over. Look at this shit. The fucking, my lights caught on fucking fire, bro. My whole car was on fire, my nigga. Like, I'm done with this shit, bro. Can't do this car shit no more. Look. Like, bro, if it ain't one thing, bro, like, this is unfucking real, my nigga. I don't even mean to cuss that much, bro. It's just like, damn, bro, like, come on, bro. That's, like, it was on fire, bro. Like, this shit falling out, fucking, it's on. That shit's crazy. That shit's crazy. This gonna be one for the books. Car gonna blow the fuck up. Block bully down, y'all. Bully down. And then this dumbass shit right here, bro. My whole, oh my, I just pulled. Oh shit, I'm done. I'm done with this shit, bro. Come on, fool, like. This whole car just falling. It's the rest of the fucking lights, nigga. Nigga ain't even got no lights now, like. Nigga got dim lights, like, what? Like, come on, this is a Charger. We're known by the U, you feel me? That shit is And I can't even dry this motherfucker to even show y'all, cause I ain't got no towing. If I get stuck, one of y'all motherfuckers better come help a nigga out, man. I'm out here sick, trying to make some fucking content. Fast ass, slow, broke ass 5.7. That's we gonna broke ass 5.7. Oh, and watch this shit. Look at my diffuser. What the fuck? Come on, bruh. I'm about to get this shit up. Everybody else raffle off broke cards. Why can't I? Fuck it, a raffle. $20 to enter. Y'all can have this bitch. Well, yeah, at least I know the motor not knocking. There's something knocking in this bitch, but it ain't the motor though. It ain't the transmission, cause that bitch switched perfectly fine. So I don't know what it is, bruh. I don't know, man. Whole cart, bro. Car. Brendo. Damn, guys. Hold on, let me see. Hold on, let me see if I can stand y'all up so y'all can hear this bitch. I'm so fucking pale, man. I'm so done with this motherfucking car. I don't give a fuck how it's set up. I just see? It ain't the motor. I don't know what that motherfucker is. I don't know, but that motherfucker broke. Yep. Well, when I get in this bitch, man, I'll let y'all hear what it sound like. But right now, nigga too sick to even be continuing to let my check engine like, oh boy, I was for the same. Whoo! Nigga belly. Come on, man. And y'all comment down below, tell me what y'all think it is, bro. Like, this shit is crazy. I ain't got no music. My beat then blew up. The beat blew up. The lights blew up. The motor ready to blow the fuck up. Shit. I'm done with this shit. Follow me on Instagram. Slow ass 5.7. Shit is slow as hell. Look at this bitch. Nigga ain't even got no gas. That's how my life is, y'all. Y'all be thinking I'm doing good. Nigga doing bad. Nah, I'm just fucking with you. Alright, bro. I'm out of here, man. Something wrong with your car. You supposed to get some messages or some shit like that. Look. It ain't no messages. That's probably because my check engine light not on, so you ain't reading nothing. But y'all see what's going on, man. I don't know what to do with it. Everybody think I got some shit in my car. That's to my music, bro. There ain't nothing spectacular. Know what else to do? Y'all think I should trade it in? Trade it in for a Mero? Or stick to Mopar? I gotta clean my intake. Look, I'm pushing on scats and all that, just regular. I'm just playing. I'm pushing 700 horses right now. 700 built motor. Built motor, don't worry about that. Well.